Hi everyone, this is Jody. For today's 2-minute tutorial, we are going to create a slatted tabletop for this round base. I've already modeled a few things ahead of time. I've got a rim around the edge of the table that I've created, and I've created a slat that we're going to fill in this table with. And today we're going to be using the extension Curic Face-Knife to do this process. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to go into this and just use the circle on the inside of this rim as a reference, and I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to come out and I'm going to say paste in place. I'm going to hide these other pieces here, and I just want to fill this in as a solid element. Now I'm going to take my slat that I've created, and I'm going to make a copy of it in move and copy mode. And I'm going to butt them up together, and I'm going to make 30 of them. Whoops. Let's try that again. Move in copy mode, and I'm going to make times 30 of them. So I've got a nice array here. I'm going to select all these slats. I'm going to look at my model from the top down, and then I'm going to put it in parallel projection so everything is straight, and then I'm going to turn on X-ray mode so I can see where it's going to end up. And I'm just going to move them all over so that they look like they are evenly sort of spaced there. Come out of parallel projection into perspective. And I'm going to select all of these slats, click the button for Curic Face-Knife, and then click my circle here. And it's going to create this grid. I'm going to hit the enter button, and then I'm going to select my circle and delete it. And there you can see we've got our nice slats all arranged. I'm going to select those, group them all together. And then I can unhide my ring and unhide my base. And I'm just going to drop this group down into this tabletop. And I'll just line everything up. There we go. And there you have it. A nice slatted tabletop for our round table. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next one.